Differences between one-way ANOVA and two-way ANOVA. One-way ANOVA versus two-way ANOVA. One-way analysis of variance. ANOVA is used to determine whether there are any statistically significant differences between the means of three or more independent, unrelated groups. Whereas two-way ANOVA is used to estimate how the mean of a quantitative variable changes according to the levels of two categorical variables. One-way ANOVA is a hypothesis test used to test the equality of three or more population means simultaneously using variance. Whereas two-way ANOVA is a statistical technique wherein the interaction between factors influencing variable can be studied. The purpose of a one-way ANOVA test is to determine the existence of a statistically significant difference among several group means. Whereas the purpose of two-way ANOVA is used when there are two independent variables and one dependent variable. The independent variable is one in one-way ANOVA. The independent variables are two in two-way ANOVA. One-way ANOVA compares three or more levels of one variable or factor, whereas two-way ANOVA compares the effect of multiple level of two variables or factors. One-way ANOVA need number of observation not to be same in each group, whereas two-way ANOVA need number of observation to be equal in each group. One-way ANOVA need design of experiments to satisfy only two principles, whereas two-way ANOVA need design of experiments in all three principles needs to be satisfied. One-way ANOVA test helps researchers determine if variations or different levels of the independent factor have a measurable effect on the dependent variable, whereas two-way ANOVA helps in identifying the main effects of each independent variable as well as their interaction effect. Hypothesis of one-way ANOVA and two-way ANOVA are given for understanding for beginners to conduct research. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.